Pooping there in the mountain. Ew, yuck. It's a big poop.
Kabang taro ko.
Carabao pooping.
Ew, yuck. Do you want to eat the carabao poop?
Kabaw, tagsara sa ko kita kabaw. May kabaw sa maribuk.
Wala lagi tagsa na lamin na mo yung
Nanny,
carabao.
it's a big bucket.
Kabaw guys, udah ko kadyo na. Wajud ko kita kabaw.
Carabao pooping, Nanay.
Yeah, it is. It's pooping. Do you want to eat the poop?
No.
Why?
Muhilak ram ko ng kabaw ihawon.
Don't eat that.
Don't eat that. Kamalibot na siya. See? How can we go to the mountain? The carabao is there.
Go away, Carabao. Go away, Carabao.
Carabao.
Carabao, go away.
The carabao won't go away. How can we go?
Carabao, go away na mother. Carabao, run there.
Carabao go there.
Carabao, go there.
Oh no. How can we go to the mountain? The carabao is there. Carabao will chase us.
Hiya, Carabao.
You talk to the carabao. Tell the carabao to go away.
Carabao, go away.
The carabao.
Si. Agbaki day pag gabi si man agbaki.
The carabao is not listening. What will you do now?
The Carabao is happy. Eating grass.
Oh, eating grass. You want to eat grass too?
No.
Why?
Hold it again.
Let's go to the moon.
Ginoo ko.
Not fire.
Oh, burn the fire. There, Dada! There!
Look at the baby coconut. Milk.
Hey!
The baby coconut is dead now.
Nabito to sa inyong higdaanan, Flor.
What happened to the baby coconut?
Baby coconut is dead.
It's dead. So let's find another baby coconut.
Okay. It's only baby coconut.
Hold your baby coconut.
No, coconut is
Okay.
Karong pa man ko kasuga karong bata ngay ngani. Lahi po sa kanang bata ang nagyan.
Ang sabi ito dahil.
down.
Mura naman sa dako na tiguang na bright man.
Sinilibag gang.
Nadaghana na magnasud sa isang
You wanna climb up there? Look what happened!
Coconut burn at the fire.
Burn at the fire? Burn at the fire. In English kaya kada pronounce Francis.
Slang.
High coconut.
It's so high, yeah.
Coconut so high.
You want to climb up?
No, coconut is high.
Coconut is high?
Coconut is down in the ground, in the grass.
Oh no, down in the ground in the grass.
Coconut is down in the
Dalton, why don't you want to climb the coconut? Because you will
fall down.
fall down. Good job. And then break your
Great.
leg.
Bright lagi.
Nanay, big coconut.
You don't want your leg to be broken?
Big coconut.
Oh,
Big
be careful.
coconut.
Be careful.
Big coconut.
Okay, be careful too.
House.
Dalton, we need to go back now because there are big dogs over there.
Be careful nanay. Mura bitaw.
What? There's a carabao.
The carabao is not going away. How can we go to the mountain?
What
Hagunoy.
hagonoy.
Hagunoy.
What is one? What plant is this?
That's a plant.
What plant is this?
The baba.
Guava. Good job.
Really good.
Dagwaba.
Good.
Very good.
Oh my God! Good night. It's a good night. The good one, good night?
You want good night?
No,
Why?
the good night.
Sakto jay mong gibuhat Flor, di balimtan, di makalimot sa mga
In
tanom.
the ground.
Hmm?
Put in the ground.
Mga bata ron, wajud kaila sa mga dahon, mga punuan.
No, 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 no.
Kaman yung bangkaw.
Suguan na guha og kanang mga kuan, ipil-ipil di kaila. Sabi ipil-ipil.
Dalton, look. Coming na kasi tagbigyan mo karong bugo. Oh, kot ka buo.
May nanguha di ay nga agianan.
Bago pa may anida ni ba?
Ah,
Abot na mo. Ay, manguha siguro kaya takuha pa man ni biya bas diya dagso.
Why?
Digabay.
Dad, how do you happen?
mamista ta.
Bitay sa kunit pa na.
Sus, di apa di tegas. Oh, lami ay sugnod tegas. Deup.
Better ka di man paid.
Deup pa ni sa mga. Arang na, lamian ako kasug-sugnod flor kay tegas na.
Coconut is down.
What flower is this?
Otot flower.
Good job. This is hanunong o. Hanunong o.
Utot flower.
Ano? Oh, oh.
Yes, hanunong o. That's not nice medicine. Okay. This. What
Utot
flower is this?
flower.
Dalton, what flower is this?
Utot flower.
Otot flower.
Kaya pa. Kawilan. This is the kawilan plant. Look.
Iwan pan.
Yes, kawilan. Sama.
Utot flower.
Ah, another.
Otot flower.
Hindi ba makalimut? Makita here. Look. It's na makahilo plant.
Okay.
Okay.
You want to eat that?
No.
Kaiser karon nila.
You want this bad.
Okay. Makahilo plant is bad. What plant is this one? What plant is that?
Hagonoy.
No, it's not. It's makahilo plant.
Want makawiyo?
No, makahilo is deadly. It's dangerous.
Ikaon bisa na naho na anak. Pabisa po ko nahilo. Tanan na, ikaon na naho. Kay kuan ka mas manok di. Tilawan pa naho.
Pepper.
No, there's a hot chili pepper. See? Ew, so hot. What one?
That's a hagonoy.
No, it's makahilo plant.
One happy love.
No, stop jumping.
Huwag tuman dyan kag imo ha.
Ouch!
Hurt. Flower. What flower is this?
Otot flower.
Kasaray siyang utot man. Utot flower.
Ah!
Buwak sa kuan.
Oh, I know the pink flower.
It's a sometimes flower.
Oh, I know the sunflower.
Yeah, but don't pick it. Just hold it, just touch it. No picking. That's not our flower. Picking is bad. Okay. Just pick one that fell down in the ground.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is a big flower.
Yeah.
What happened to flower?
Where?
Ano yung itim-itim?
It's dead. Oh no.
Hindi ah. Kari.
Oh no. Where buwak?
Saan mo na?
Di, yan na patay ba? Look,
The carbo fit.
sangit si Dalan Steve, kabaw. Hindi ka siguro nung.
That carbo fit.
Ha? Nangagdag pamahaw sila kay pista man ron. Nangagdag pamahaw. Pista man karon dari.
Banana.
Nakabuok na. Hindi ako sabang tuloy.
The carbo fit.
Nagdag kasi ba
Mo-
ito karabaw fit?
Mo man nagbagno sa naong dang liryo.
At another carbo fit.
Nagdag karabaw fit hiding in the bag. Maninimikir. Ganun dito maninimikir. Pinsa may mas maninimikir nga.
Mamuwak man nagdaghan ja og lasik-lasing. Sahay magpuli-puli sahay puwa sa hilo di mo ra kunting. Di sahay magilo ijang puwak tanan, di sahay puwa tanan, di sahay magsagol.
Please put the box. Put the box in crack.
Kaya kilo terus kabo no ira man.
Carbo fit is bad.
Ay wala mo kabo wala giihaw.
No, it's bad.
Hala ni si. Inihilam siya wa. Palama.
Ito ka aw. Kaya mapuro dito.
Tiil na namin nabilin Dalton. Inuktok ng tanay. Tawag na mo nanay.
Let's go. that's enough.
I know what's the other papers.
Muli na ko guys sa puti. Ano ba to? Oy, Dalton!
Let's go!
Asa na magkakasuot-suot?
Ride the car now!
Hilig ko rin patag pa na kay ginahan. Mananungkod.
That's
Oy!
a nice vegetable!
What's happened to the vegetable?
It's sprouting. It's sprouting now.
Cute, ang good tanawon.
Grow up.
Na may empty na.
What's up? We'll plant the
Kana. La. Patay tawag na sa tatay.
Well, you can get the power.
Inka get the power.
Oh no, the sleeper's wet.
It's okay, it's okay. Slippers, basta.
Hala. Tawag na sa tatay.
Nani, come on.
Nay, come on.
Nani,
Bye-bye.
come on.
Hindi na mi guys.
Nani. Papa, Papa.
Ay! Hindi ra. Patay. Sunda sa daki dako rin kang kuan. Nanay, ipadako rin ni jang nanay.
Wala magpalanski po sa karami dang. Imusuwan. Hindi, siluwan naman. Siluwan pa mga. Nagliligo sa itsura. Let's get batang na eh. Batang yung pag-green. Ikuanan ka na mo. Sinayan ka na mo.
Tanada doon maghalidang. San? Eh, padang. Nanay. Kaningi nga nila. Pwede nagyapon to yung atuon ni mo. Iputa silupin.
Dali na diha kay agbatan na kalisang-lisang na mo atong kuya mo, hini mo, mo ato nimo.